Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktail gin easy guide. Start by selecting a base gin and a clear flavor direction, such as citrus or floral, then gather fresh citrus, quality mixer, simple syrup, and bitters. Measure ingredients accurately and chill your glassware and ice. Decide whether to stir or shake based on clarity, then garnish with herb or peel to enhance aroma and visual appeal for a balanced home cocktail. Start with proportions that suit your taste, such as 2 parts gin to 1 part citrus and a half part simple syrup, then adjust. Shake cocktails with citrus to aerate and chill quickly, while stirring preserves clarity in spirit-forward drinks. Taste between adjustments, then strain well into chilled glassware over fresh ice or neat. Finish with an aromatic garnish to tie the flavors together and create an inviting first sip. Think about balance when choosing flavors, pairing gin botanicals with citrus, herbal, or bitter elements to complement the spirit. Use fresh ingredients whenever possible, and start with small adjustments to sweeteners or bitters until the profile sings. Consider adding fortified wine, liqueur, or a dash of aromatic bitters to deepen complexity. Keep tasting as you go and choose a garnish that reinforces the dominant aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.